You need to leave a spot for you to.
Hold up.
This what I'm gonna do.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Cut my hair. It ain't all that now, but it was cute
You
earlier.
think you know it all, huh?
She got us on
Then this-
Facebook, on TV.
This side of push looking. Try to run now. What's good, YouTube? I'm back here to get another banger. Just got my cousins out with my cousins because I messed mine up. They aggravate. But yeah, I'm finna go do these eggs for this crawfish to boil.
Mia.
Cute. Gonna be no baby. Can't walk, can't talk, can't shit up, can't eat no food.
Oh yeah, that's how you know she jealous.
Big boy, you on the track.
Yes, sir. Oh, let me get my picture. Me? Huh? Yeah. My food good, y'all. It's a lot spicy though. That's how I like it. Look. I'm done. Like that. I'm done though. My paper towel. Always touching stuff.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Oh my gosh. Just finished eating. Just chilling in the kitchen. So pretty much the day's over with. It's 7:43. He's still here though. And yeah, I'm probably gonna go get me some rice, some green beans, and yeah, we still got some crawfish left over. So I'll probably go get that later. And yeah, right now we're just chilling, watching a movie. I don't even know what it's about because I haven't been watching it. But yeah. So y'all, everybody gone now. It is 8:57. It's 8:57. My watch dead. Yeah. A girl's stomach low-key hurt or whatever. This all is fluff. They just put it in here. We did not end up doing corn or potatoes. But yeah, everything just in this little brown box or whatever. And I got a lot of, not too much crawfish left, but it got a lot of meat left and stuff. Also, we do have some dirty rice. I don't know what kind of meat that is, I ain't gonna lie. And some green beans. I just had dirty rice, green beans, and some Hawaiian rolls. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm ending the video here. There's pretty much nothing else for me to show you guys. I know this vlog was kind of short, but basically I'm just getting my YouTube channel together and I kind of wanted to experiment, test the waters, but also give y'all a good quality video. So please let me know if I'm doing a good job by leaving me a like, comment, and also subscribe. I don't think I talked too much when I was eating, and I didn't even show y'all how much I was eating because I be hungry and stuff. And like I said, it's been like we've been quarantining for a while, And like we still didn't have that many guests, but like a few more guests came. I just didn't really show them because I was just trying to spend a little bit of quality time with my boyfriend. I haven't seen him since early April, so it's been over a month. And you know, I just missed him and wanted to spend a little time with him and not like regret it and be like, oh, I was in my phone the whole time and stuff like that, and be like my video was a flop anyway and I could have been spending time with him. So like if my video gonna flop, at least I'll be happy that I spent time with him. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share for more videos like this. And like I said, let me know if I'm doing a good job or not. Give me some tips. And let me know what other kind of videos I'd like to see. We out.